Hi guys, welcome to my updated morning skincare routine. Today we are doing a real talk, no filters, just my actual face and going in with products that I'm currently obsessed with. And I have become more of a skincare girly than a makeup girly. So I feel like we need to talk about this today. If you're like me and you felt overwhelmed by so many skincare products and so many skincare routines, this one's for you because I'm starting my journey this time with you guys right here. And I want you guys to continue watching it with me to actually be in this together. Let's do it. So this Eucerin serum is the first product that I have started applying in the morning. It was also recommended by my dermat. The best part about this one is, of course, that it smells great, but apart from that, it's super light on the skin. It's not like one of those serums that, gives that burning sensation or anything. I just feel like it absolutely makes me feel like it's just another moisturizer that I'm putting in because my skin is acne prone and combination a few times. This is the Obagi Daily Hydro Drops. I don't expect you guys to go ahead and buy this product. It's for 13,000. Trust me, it's worth the hype, but there are so many other recommendations that I'm going to be dropping down below for you guys to get in replacement for this because 13K is way too much of an investment. However, this is formulated with vitamin B3 and hibiscus oil, which is supposed to be really good for the skin. I can't get into the whole scientific method of it because I am no expert, but I just know that it works really well for my skin. I'm actually very scared because it's almost over and I don't know if I want to spend another 13K. So we're going to go ahead and see the recommendations that I'm going to give you guys as well. Also, don't forget that all your skincare routines should be going up on your neck as well, and your neck is going to look like a 40-year-old and your skin is going to look like you're 25. You must have seen this viral eye cream on Instagram. It's the Amino Eye Serum. People are literally going gaga over it. It's supposed to have like a 21 or 28 day result. It's literally still my 14th day. I don't see something really, changing in my routine because of this, but let's see. The next one that I am using is a very good moisturizer. This is the Laneige Water Bank. It's not been completely gel based, it's not too water based. It's got a cream texture, but it does not feel heavy at all. Also, I'm doing this step after the eye cream because I like keeping my products in my skin for at least 15 seconds. People usually have timers, but I just start like spraying a perfume or doing like a mist and things like that, so my 15 seconds go in. But this smells so good. Lip Oil by Shankara. This is an Indian brand and it came to me in one of those PR boxes. It's got a roll-on. It's actually very nice to use before we actually go in with this Laneige lip balm. All the Laneige lip balms are my favorite. I love them. I feel like every skincare girly already has them. Of course, there are so many new lip balms in the market and I am liking a lot of them, which I can give you in like another video, but this one has been my favorite for so many years now, and they've come up with this new flavor, which is the vanilla one, so I actually do really like it. Last but not the least, we are going in with this Banila Co sunscreen. Very, very important. Also, the amount of sunscreen that you're using is super important, so make sure that you use it everywhere. I really do want to see how my skin is going to be at 40 and how long I can actually go without Botox. So like I said, I have acne prone skin because of my PCOD issues as well. I kind of keep trying to manage it, but right now I have this really bad breakouts. I'm going to go in and use this pimple patch from Dr. Balmer. Get this one readily available even on Blinkit, and that's where I order it from because pimple patches you need like instantly. So I'm just gonna put this here. This is basically my skincare routine that I do every single morning. Yes, I do if I'm going swimming, then after my swimming, and if I'm actually going for Pilates, then right before it. Also, I've started dipping my face in like an ice bowl just because I've heard so many benefits of it, and ChatGPT, my best friend, suggests it every morning. This routine basically looks super long, but trust me, it takes less than 5 minutes. Some days I do skip some steps, but that's just because I'm just a girl. If you try any of these, please leave me a DM and let me know which product you like. And I'm back on YouTube after what seems like forever, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button for some real no bullshit content. Get routine, and thank you so much for watching.